How you doing? This is MountainManJ. My wife gave me that name. I live up here in the mountains. If you are doing any bushcraft stuff or learning about pioneering, you know that smokehouses are a way of preserving meat and they give it great flavor. I built this smokehouse with my children. It was a good learning experience for them. We wanted a rustic look, so any flaws in it just adds to the character. We did a concrete slab, 4,000 psi, and we did that 4 inches thick with wire mesh. On the firebox here, we did red brick lined with fire brick on the inside, all done with type S mortar and a 2-foot flue. And the top, we made that also 2.5 inches thick with 4,000 psi, and I had my kids lay their hands on it and put their names into the concrete. For the door here, we just used a regular clean out door. You can find them at any masonry store, and we modified it for intake so we can control the burn. And on the inside, I cut some steel I-beams to set the wood on, help again with airflow and so on and so forth. All this material that we built this out of is recycled material, except for the brick and the block we had to purchase. The framing is 2x4 exterior walls. We did put tar paper or a roofing synthetic felt on to handle the heat. More so, I wasn't very comfortable with Tyvek or Typar. For the siding, I took pallets that my suppliers gave to me, and we ripped them apart. And that's where most of the lumber came from, and that's what we did the siding with. For the door on the inside, for the system for the racks, we did number 4 rebar with stainless steel hooks that you can order off of Amazon. We have a gauge here to control the temperature, keep it between 165 and 180. It's usually what most people are looking for. And on the roof, we only did a 1 on 12 pitch. And what I mean by 1 on 12 pitch is for every 12 inches, you have 1 inch of rise. This is done with 29 gauge agricultural steel. Again, metal I had left over from a pole barn that I built for my shop. In the back here, we have roughly 2 inches by 16 inches for the exhaust. And this has worked perfect between controlling your intake and for your exhaust, and has kept the smoke in the smokehouse the way it's supposed to. That's part of the reason why we only gave it a 1 inch pitch. But we were going for a rustic look. It was a lot of fun to build my kids, a lot of great memories. And I hope that this video helped give you a good visual, some information on the product to use, and will help you build your smokehouse. Again, research. There's a lot of good ideas out there. There's a lot of YouTube videos, and we hope that you like this. And if you did, please hit like, and God bless and walk worthy.